Look at finding the distance between 2 points on a coordinate grid. Step 1. We're going to look at the segment as a hypotenuse. We're going to draw 2 legs to create a right triangle. Step 2, looking at the right triangle we just created, we are going to count the units and mark the lengths of the 2 legs. So the first leg will get 3. Second, when we count, we'll get 4. What are the lengths of the 2 legs? A is 3 and B is 4. Step 3. We are going to use the same triangle we had, and then we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve the missing length. Step 4. We're going to write the formula. And what is that formula? A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Then we're going to plug and solve. Based on the information we just figured out for our right triangle, we said our legs were 3 and 4. And then we are going to plug that into our formula, 3 squared plus 4 squared, which gives us 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. We find the square root of 25, which would leave us with C is equal to 5. Time to practice. So pause the video, and I want you to give this a try. Okay, let's see what you got. So they want us to find the length of the segment. So step 1 will allow you to identify the hypotenuse, draw your legs, count the units or the squares. So we have 10 and 4. Then we're going to plug that information into the formula. 4 squared plus 10 squared equals C squared. Let's solve. 16 plus 100 is equal to C squared. Now we're going to find the square root of that number so we can undo the square to find C. Our answer can be the square root of 16, that is our exact answer, is equal to C, or our approximate answer, C is equal to 10.77. Hope that's making sense. Let us take a look at the steps that we just performed. Step 1, what do? Identify the hypotenuse. Step 2, you're going to draw your legs. Step 3, count the squares or the units for the legs. Step 4, you're going to apply the formula and solve. What is the formula that's required? A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Remember, you can always pause, rewind, rewatch as many times as you like.